Welcome to a culinary adventure where we whisk up some magic in the form of homemade mayonnaise. Ditch the store-bought options, we're going fresh, healthier, and customizable. Our first recipe calls for whole eggs. Begin by cracking these into a bowl, adding a dollop of mustard for tang and a splash of vinegar for balance. Whisk them together, then slowly, very slowly, drizzle in your oil. Watch as the concoction transforms from liquid to a luscious, creamy emulsion. For the second recipe, we're using just the yolks. The process remains the same, but you'll notice a richer, deeper flavor in this version. Remember, the secret lies in the slow addition of oil, creating that perfect consistency. And there we have it, 2 gourmet mayonnaise recipes to elevate your everyday meals. Like a sandwich artist, you can now add your own touch to dips, dressings, and more. For the full list of ingredients, visit our site. Please like, share, subscribe, and be sure to visit culinarycrossover.com for more. Here's to creating a symphony of flavors, one whisk at a time. Until next time, keep the culinary magic alive.